Hi guys, today I came up with a cool video. You can see that I am going to link this photographer to another background to completely change the image. For that, first a selection is made around him. This is the background image that the subject is looking for links to. For that I drag my subject to this. I then position this as I like. Then I want to match the colors of these two images. You need to adjust the color of the object to match the colors of the background image. To do so, click on this icon in the layer palette. Then click on the curves option. You can then view a properties menu like this. When this is done, click on this icon to add changes only to the object player or the layer below it. The layer mask in the curves layer is selected and move it to this icon. Then click on the photo option with Alt. Then a menu like this will open. As we change colors, click on the Find Dark and Light Colors option. Then click on the shadow box in the dark area of the background and select it from the eyedropper tool. Once selected, click OK. Then click on the highlight box in the bright spot in the background and give the eyedropper tool. Choose the one that fits here. Then click OK. These color patterns can also be saved for reuse. But I do not want to give the No option. Again, you can change the individual colors like this. Shadows and highlights can be added to enhance the realism of the image. It's time for me to leave and have a nice day.